Hello everyone. In this video, I am discussing midpoint theorem and the converse of midpoint theorem, only explanation part. I am not doing here proof as per the syllabus of CBSE. This theorem is just for motivation, for result. Means you need to learn the result for applying in the questions. You need to do only those theorem which are written to be proved. Means proof is written in the brackets. So midpoint theorem is what? This is a triangle. This is A, B and C. ABC is a triangle. This is D and it is midpoint of AB, and this is E, it is the midpoint of AC. This is the line segment which is joining both the midpoints, right? So what midpoint theorem states, the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle, is parallel to the third side, and is half of it, So you can see here triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, D is midpoint of M full stop P full stop means midpoint of AB, and E is midpoint of AC. So the line segment which is joining both these midpoints, that is DE. So we will write DE is parallel to BC and DE will be equal to half of BC. So this is midpoint theorem which will be applied in exercise 8.2 of quadrilaters chapter. Now I am explaining here converse of midpoint theorem also, which will be applicable in many questions of exercise 8.2 and extra questions. Converse of midpoint theorem. So this is a triangle and this is A, B, C. Here we are given the midpoint of only one side of the triangle, that is AB side, and that midpoint is D. So a line segment which will be drawn from midpoint of one side of triangle will be parallel to another side. वो लाइन सेगमेंट जो ट्राइंगल के एक साइड के मिड पॉइंट से ड्रॉ किया जाएगा और वो ट्राइंगल की अनदर साइड के पैरेलल होगा, तो वो थर्ड साइड को भी बाइसेक्ट करेगा, यानी दिस इज DE. सो a line segment drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to another side bisect the third side. So this theorem I am writing here. The line drawn through the midpoint, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle and parallel to another side bisects the third side. So you can see in this figure, in triangle ABC, what is midpoint of one side of triangle? D is the midpoint of AB. So I have written D is midpoint of AB. And other than this, DE is parallel to BC. So therefore, if we apply converse of midpoint theorem, E is midpoint of AC. तो E भी जो है वो AC का क्या बन जाएगा? Midpoint. So this was the explanation of midpoint theorem along with its converse. And as I already told you, midpoint theorem as well as converse of midpoint theorem is applicable on all the questions of exercise 8.2 of chapter 8 quadrilateral. Hope you have understood both these very well. Thank you.